Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling the phone's vibration system. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and turn on Vibrate on Silent. This tells the hardware to vibrate even when the ringer is off. Once done, also enable Vibrate on Ring so the motor is active for calls and alerts. That step confirms the motor isn't disabled only for calls. Make sure System Haptics remain enabled so core alerts can trigger the motor. Next, assign vibrations to the sounds you care about so they fire in silent mode. Tap ringtone or text tone, pick vibration, and select or create a strong pattern. This links that vibration to incoming calls or messages. Once set, assign specific contact vibrations for priority people. Also scroll to System Haptics and enable it. That ensures UI alerts and some app notifications. To finish, verify the physical ring/silent switch is in the silent position and test by sending yourself a text from another device. If there's no vibration, make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus isn't blocking alerts. Add exceptions if needed. Restart the iPhone to reset the haptic motor. If it still fails, open Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Touch, and confirm vibration is enabled. Once fixed, your phone will vibrate in silent mode as intended.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.